Hello there, sunshines. It is watermelon season, and I thought this would be the perfect time to talk about how to pick the perfect watermelon. Let's get at it. I really enjoy watermelon season because I make sure that all my clients are actually keeping well hydrated just by eating watermelon. Plus, it's a great snack. Who am I kidding? It's an awesome snack, too. All right, if you were wondering, yes, watermelon can be frozen, and to do so, you're going to cut the watermelon into smaller pieces. You're going to remove the rind, which is the green part. You're going to remove a couple of seeds, and then you're going to place the cut pieces on a baking sheet until they're solid. Afterwards, you can store them in a freezer bag, and they'll be good for about 6 to 9 months. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How to pick your watermelon. 1, you're going to look for the belly button. The belly button is where the plant was tethered to the fruit. That's in the ring around it. You're looking for a brown color. If it is green, it's been picked too soon, so look for the brown color. Then the next thing, number 2, the next thing you're going to look for is the yellow belly. This means nothing more than basically where the watermelon was sitting on the soil, but it tells us about the ripeness of the fruit. So the yellow, the better. And last, and I think it's a little bit harder, so point 3, we're gonna do the hollow tap test. So basically you're gonna knock on the watermelon and it should sound hollow. This just means that it's very full of water. Okay, so let's say, for example, one watermelon is just way too much watermelon for one person, which I can't see how. But anyway, if you're single like I am and you're like, that's just too big, and you want to purchase half or a quarter, you want to look first at the exterior color. You want to make sure it's that lovely deep pine green. Then hopefully you get some yellow belly. But if you don't get any yellow belly or the belly button to make sure that it's brown, then what you're going to look for is the cut. And what it is watermelon, as it ripens, it actually forms these natural cracks on the watermelon. So do not buy a watermelon that you can't see the cracks on, because if not, you might not get a ripe watermelon. But if it has cracks, buy it. I would be a terrible nutrition therapist if I didn't blush over at least the benefits of eating watermelon. 46 calories per cup. It contains 15% of your daily vitamin C requirements, plus it also includes vitamin A and vitamin B6. It keeps you optimally hydrated, which I already said. It also contains something called lycopene, which helps protect your cells from damage. It's an amazing snack. And then watermelon seeds are really important because they can be eaten raw, they can be eaten dry. And they're an amazing source of magnesium. And magnesium basically plays a huge role in energy production, nerve function, and it's a really great and a very effective way to actually help blood pressure. Also, please pick a watermelon with seeds in them. When they don't have seeds, it just means it's been genetically modified, and nothing good can happen to your body when you eat something that's genetically modified. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, go out there and rule your world. Stay fresh.